If you're like me and you're a fan of older cars, like this Volvo 340 here, chances are the bumpers on your car are a black plastic or now a grey plastic because they've faded over time. Question of how to restore these back to black is probably one of the most commonly asked questions on the internet when it comes to older cars. There are a lot of different methods that you can use to make your bumpers black again. Heat guns, people suggest boiled linseed oil, peanut butter. You can obviously buy products in the shops that will do this as well, but a lot of them aren't a permanent fix and will just leave your bumpers sticky. You're only going to need a few things for this, and these are all included in a kit that can be bought for £15 online. The first thing is the Forever Black bumper and trim reconditioner. In the box you'll also find this applicator stick along with a bottle of detergent which is mixed with water to remove any oils from the bumpers. I've already used mine previously on a different car, so this time around we're just going to mix some car shampoo with water. Once your bumpers are completely dry, you can start applying this stuff. I would recommend wearing gloves before you do this, as the product is a dye and it will stain your hands. Some of the edges of the bumper are harder to get to, so you can use the flat part of the top of the applicator sponge to get to those. I would also recommend having a wet sponge or cloth nearby so you can wipe off any smudges to the paint, or if you have any chrome like I do on these bumpers. It doesn't matter too much with the first coat, as the idea is just to cover the bumper completely, but when it comes to the second you want to make sure that you keep your lines a lot longer and straighter to avoid any streak marks. Everything obviously still looks a little bit wet as it's only just been applied, but here are some before and after shots of my E34 once everything is dried. Best result I ever got from this stuff was probably a rear bumper I bought for my Mark II Golf. It came off this Golf GL, basically looked brand new after I'd put this stuff on it. Thanks for watching this video. If you did find it helpful, please press the like button and consider subscribing. The plan is to make this channel into sort of a showcase for older cars, to maybe do reviews on some of the stuff that isn't necessarily fast but is interesting to look at. We've also got some older cars lying around that need restoration, like the Mark II Golf on the screen that we did last year. So if you're interested in this sort of thing, again please press subscribe, and thanks again for watching.